This is a microbot, which is a scaled down bird of time. So it's a little under half size, 48-inch span. I mean, it does not look like it's 48 inches. It's really small. And Ross Clements drafted this up. This is actually the first prototype hot off the press, and it is a pretty sweet flying little airplane. Actually, kind of, I would say floatier than the original because it's built crazy light. About 80 grams, ready to go with battery pack, BEC, servos, and all that.
And then what electronics do you have for battery? And
so we're running 3.7 gram servos, a 2S 180 on a small BEC. You could run it on a 1S as well. This gives you a little bit faster servo response. And all the structure's been modified to make it easier to build at this scale. So there is webbing that is laser cut in there. The horizontal stab is actually one piece, and then the elevator is each panel is one piece. Same with your vertical and your rudder. So really simple, quick construction. It takes a little longer to build than the drifter just because there's more parts, but in terms of build difficulty, it's very low. Cool. Nice self-jigging. Give me my terrible gimbal.
It's safe in the leading line. You have to do that to get good performance.
Naturally, I mean there's lift, but that means the wind's blowing the wrong direction. Hopefully that'll be a good thing. Get back on track. There we go. Nice job.
all right, Ross, what do we got going on?
So this is the micro drifter again, but this time it has a 10 gram brushless outrunner in the nose, a 6 amp plus ESC inside, a little 182S, and 5x3 folding top with it, which gives you a bunch of climbs and pretty much vertical performance.
And then what scale is this to the original drifter?
Half scale. The original was 76 inches, so this was 36 inches. This is about 90 grams, so lighter. On the line, ready to go, is a micro drifter. Beautiful little plane that Ross Clements has just finished designing and building a handful of these, and they will be available for sale at J&H Aerospace pretty soon. In the meantime, it is attached to a decently long stretch of tiny little rubber that will launch through the air.
fun. I saw other people doing it. I was like, I want one.
And
A step up from the micro lady.
And when he mentioned it to me, I just decided to provide whatever motivations were needed to prod him on because, this is stupid amounts of fun.
And he's not the only one who wants one.
Exactly. I wanted it, and that's an
I want one
to
too. And he, we need to make sure other people have the opportunity.
Exactly.
That was just too much almost forward. For lack of a better term.
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.